A week before the Luzon lockdown ends on April 30, President Duterte extended the enhanced community quarantine until May 15. Duterte approved the recommendation of the Interagency Task Force for the Management of Emerging Infectious Diseases. The task force recommended to extend ECQ to areas with high cases of COVID-19. It shall be maintained in the National Capital Region, Region 3, Region 4A, and the provinces of Oriental Mindoro, Occidental Mindoro, Albay, and Catanduanes. The quarantine status may change by April 30 for Tarlac, Zambales, Benguet, and Pangasinan. Subject to reassessment are the following: provinces where ECQ will not be imposed will undergo the new normal or the general community quarantine. Under the general community quarantine, employees may continue to work in phases. Those with ages below 21 years and those 60 years old and above shall stay home. Public transportation may resume at a reduced capacity.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.